Hello friends, today I'm going to be drawing some pumpkins and colouring them in. These are the colours you're going to need if you want to use this exact brand, which are the Castle Arts Soft Touch. Otherwise, you'll need a medium to dark green, a light orange, a mid-orange, a red, a yellow and a blue for shadows. So first of all, we're going to sketch the pumpkins. And you're going to want to sketch as lightly as you can because we're going to erase these lines afterwards. Now you can see with these three pumpkins, these two are a little wider at the bottom and this one is a little wider at the top. This is because these two are going to be pointing upwards and this one is going to be pointing downwards. I'm going to draw in the segments here. Remember, you can give these a better shape when you go in with the fine liner later. I'll repeat these segments on the other two pumpkins. For this upside down one, you can always turn your paper upside down to draw it if you feel more confident doing it that way. Now we're going to add the stalks. And now we're going to erase this pencil. Now I'm going to take a fine liner. This is 08. It's a Pigma Micron, but you can use any fine liner you want. We aren't going to be using water, so it doesn't matter if it's waterproof or not this time. I'm going to add a bit more of an angular shape to these pumpkin segments since I'm not quite happy with how I drew these with the pencil. And now we'll draw the other two. Remember, you can turn your paper upside down to draw this pumpkin. Now I'm going to add something a little bit different and fun to these pumpkins. You can draw the legs in any position you want, just make them thin and spindly for comedic value. Now we're going to start with the yellow and colour lightly across the whole pumpkin. And now with the light orange, which is the Marigold in this brand, we're going to go over the entire pumpkin again, pressing lightly just like we did with the yellow. And now we're going to take the red and draw short lines following the direction of the pumpkin shape, which is from bottom to top and top to bottom. We're going to avoid the centre of each segment and colour lightly, since this red is only to add shadow rather than colour. This is the area we want to avoid with the red, sort of a stretched, thin oval shape. And now for the shadows, we're going to use blue. Very, very lightly, where the darkest shadows are, we're going to use the short lines technique again, about a quarter of the way up the pumpkin, and lightly in between the segments to create depth. And now I'm going to go over once more with this mid-orange just to blend everything. I'm still going to avoid the centre oval that we've left a lighter colour. Now for the stalk and the little shoes, we're going to use a base colour of yellow, and then with our green we're just going to lightly shade over the top. Now for the stalk, we're just going to very lightly go over the top of this as well, trying to put down an even layer of colour. And then what we're going to do with this is pumpkins do this marvellous thing with their stalk where they twist around and it's like a spiral, so just pressing a little harder we're going to put some lines in like this. And then just colour in the end a little darker. And we're going to repeat this for the other two, which is the base coat of yellow, and then we lightly colour over that in this light orange. And then we use this red where the shadows are, gently bringing that in towards the oval that we're trying to leave a lighter colour. And then we'll use this blue for the absolute darkest shadows, and we'll use it sparingly, so it's just around the bottom and very much just in the creases here. There we are, 3 mostly happy pumpkins. Thank you for watching.